mental health and how to deal with those who have an issue.
It's on the minds of several dozen new IMPD recruits undergoing a specialized class that hopefully will prevent problems between the public and police.
So the Now's Mike Pelton shows us what they're learning and the impact that this training could have in our community.
And the training spans 40 hours this week with the crisis intervention team made up of a range of specialists, because for an officer, it's not a matter of if, but when will they encounter someone dealing with a mental illness.
Break down now, if we will, what that statute tells you to do.
It's a lesson officers will take from the textbook to the field, how to deal with those suffering from a mental illness.
You have a person that's even less likely to understand what's happening to them.
We sat in on a class where an attorney who works with the FOP discussed liability and proper tactics. This week, 26 new IMPD recruits are learning to deal with people suffering from a mental illness.
I think one is you have to learn how to connect with those people on those runs, and specifically using first names, slowing things down, seeing things from their perspective and not ours. And
these are real-life issues. Back in April, IMPD officers shot to death a man who allegedly fired at them. The chief called it suicide by cop.
You know, 1 in 4 or 1 in 5 adults in the United States has a mental health issue.
Kimball Richardson with the Community Health Network is also a part of this training and says evidence shows use of force encounters decrease as a result. He also extends this advice.
If you have to call 911 for help, specifically request a CIT officer. You know, it's possible that one may not be available, but when they are, you know you're getting someone who's had this special training.
We're wanting to go out into the community with a full set of tools.
And those in the class will also spend 4 hours shadowing a mental health professional at Eskenazi. Those new recruits are set to graduate the academy on September 11th. Downtown this afternoon for the Now Indy, Mike Pelton, RTV6.